Assalamu alaikum. How are you children? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do the exercise part of your second lesson. That is from page number 28 to 31. Okay children, all of you take your textbook. The question answer, there are 3 question answers which you have to write it in your notebook. Other all exercise part, write it in the textbook and learn from the textbook. Okay children? Okay, just look, starting from fill in the blanks. This children, fill in the blanks. There are brackets given here, application, maximize, dash and system. Dash button is used to enlarge the window to full screen. Enlarge, to make the screen large. What we use? Maximize. Right there. Maximize. Maximize button we are using to enlarge the windows. Gcompress is an dash software. Gcompress is an application software. Application software. Operating systems are examples of dash software. Operating system is an example of system software. Dash is used to search for application files, music, etc. Where you can search the items in Ubuntu children? Dash. Dash. Okay. So fill this as I fill. Now itself you fill it. Okay children? Next one is multiple choice question. Dash represents an application program. Dash represents an application programs. Dash icon taskbar. Which is application program? Icon. The menu bar is at the dash of the screen. Top, middle, bottom. Menu bar is at the dash of the screen. Where is the menu bar? Top. Okay children. Dash is an operating system. Which is an operating system? Which is operating system children? Linux. Calculator is an dash software. Which is the calculator? Which type of software is the calculator? Application software, operating software or painting software? Application software, right? Application software. Okay. So we completed multiple choice question also. Next one, fill the crossword. You have to cross these crossword. You have to fill these crossword. Horizontal means this way and vertical means this way. Okay. So, a set of instruction. What is a set of instruction called? Software. So, write here software. Software. Okay, children. Next one, it is a hardware. Where is 2 here? Yes. So which is hardware? S is here. Starting with S, we need a hardware. Second one, it is a hardware. Scanner. Yes. C-A-N-N-E-R. Scanner. It can be seen and touched. Of course, it is hardware which we can touch. Hardware. Okay. Next one, vertical, like this. Okay. Pictorial representation of a program. Pictorial representation means icon. I-C-O-N. Pictorial representation. The long vertical bar on the left side. Vertical bar on the left side are called launcher. L-A-U-N-C-H-E-R. Launcher. Okay children? Okay. Next one, identify the following. See, here is a vertical bar. What we call the vertical bar? Launcher. Right here. launcher. Okay, launcher. And second one, what is this one? What is this called? Folder. Okay, write this, folder. Next one, what is this? This, here one cross is there. What is that? Close button. Right there, close button. Close button. Then which is the fifth one? This symbol. Which is this symbol known as, children? See this symbol. This is dash icon where we search the items, right? So that is dash. Right there, dash. Dash icon. Now where is fourth one? Here. Fourth one is here. What is this known as? Status bar or status menus. Sorry. Status menu. Status menu. Okay, children. Dash icon, launcher, folder, close button, status menu, and dash icon. So fill now itself. Okay, children. Now in the next page, answer the following question. This part you need to write it in your notebook. Okay, children. What is an application software? What is an application software? Application software is used to perform specific work for the user in the computer, right? So write here, an application software. Application software is used to perform specific works for users. Okay, what are the things that, what are the application softwares? Example, children, play games, then what? Paint, etc. Okay, so this is the application software. Next one, what do you mean by software? I know you all know that. Tell me, children, what is software? Software is a set of instructions to the computer, right? So write there, software is a set of instruction to the computer to do a particular works. Next one, what do you mean by hardware? What is hardware? It is all the components of a computer system, right? So write, hardware are physical components that make up a computer system. Physical components that make up a computer system and can be touched. That also you write, okay? And can be touched. Okay, write this also, and can be touched. Okay, now next one is find out the odd one. From this you want to find out the odd one. Mouse is there, keyboard is there, joystick is there, monitor is there. Which is odd one? വ്യത്യസ്തമായി നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഏതാണ് മക്കളെ ഇതിൽ? മൗസ് ഇൻപുട്ട് ഡിവൈസ് ആണ്, കീബോർഡ് ഇൻപുട്ട് ഡിവൈസ് ആണ്, ജോയ്സ്റ്റിക്കോ it is also input device. So which is output device here? Monitor. So that is different. That is mean by odd. So that is odd one. Next one, here you have keyboard, RAM, motherboard, processor. So these all are hardwares, right children? Inside the computer. So what is this one? This is keyboard. It is outside. So this is the odd one. Okay. Next one is calculator, sound recorder, videos, Edubuntu. What is all these children? These all are application softwares. ഇതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഓരോരോ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാനാണ്. ഇത് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ, ഇത് സൗണ്ട് റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ, ഇത് വീഡിയോസ് കാണാൻ. അപ്പോൾ എജുബുണ്ടു എന്തിനാണ്? ഈ സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഇതിലാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ which is the odd one in this? Edubuntu. So tick it. Okay. So by this we completed. Find out the odd one also. Now move on to the next question. One is find the names of the icon. That is text paint is there, then trash is there, get it is there, dash icon is there. Text paint, where we can do text paint children? In this Linux, right? So write there one. Trash, where is trash children? Here, this is trash. Then get it, where is get it? Here, editing part. Here write 3. Dash icon, where is dash icon? Here, this is dash icon, so write here 4. So 1 2 3 4. Okay children, by this we completed our exercise part. So by this we completed our second lesson also. Next video we will be doing the third lesson. Okay children, so before doing the third lesson you are supposed to complete writing part. 3 question answers you want to write it in your notebook. Other all things you have to do it in the textbook only. Okay, only 3 question answer from second lesson in your notebook. Other all things you have to complete in the textbook and also learn from the textbook. Okay children, be a good students and learn well. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.